If you're a draft league nut like I am, then you probably want to take this game and start up your own league with it. And the way to do that easily is to, first of all, load up the season file that you want. In my case, I've loaded up 2020-21, and I'm going to go up to the Organizations menu and create a new organization. Now what this will do is simply take the entire file and create a duplicate of it, but it'll remove all of the schedule items and all of the present teams that are already inside this league and just keep behind the players and the basic framework of the file. So I'm going to call this Central League Basketball. And it will give you an opportunity to give the new league a 3-letter abbreviation. You should always do this because it's used in a lot of different places. So we'll call this CLB. Alright, and then we'll simply get a little dialog that tells us the new organization, BK 2021 Central League Basketball, has been created successfully. The program will now end, after which you can restart it and load the new organization file. Alright, so then after restarting the program, I'll go ahead and load up that new season. Now, it was in 2021, so if I open that up, that is where this file should be located. You'll notice that all these files pertain to the year 2020-2021, and this is the original file. This is the new one that I just created. Okay, so if I open that up, here's my Central League Basketball. Here is the initials of the league, and as you can see, there's kind of a blank slate. There's nothing here. So you can go ahead and begin naming your divisions. So Division 1, Division 2, maybe we want to hop over here and have a Division 3 in another conference. So you'll notice the buttons that are directly above where I am clicking or where I am writing. These ones are brown, these ones are kind of a dirty orange color. This represents Conference 1, this represents Conference 2, and the program is capable of holding 5 divisions in each of the 2 conferences. You can set it up any way you want to. If you don't like the conference approach, you can always just put Division 1, Division 2, Division 3, Division 4, or how many ever divisions you have. All of the players are still available, and you can freely make all the teams you want. So if I want the Woonsocket Rockets, I can go ahead and plug those in. There may at times, and I'll try to clean this up, be some residual information such as the logo here, if you notice that. So there's a little bit of a Philadelphia and also the logo for Philadelphia here. You can just go edit, delete team.